Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to download and install the Nullbits Sync app, which is what you'll use to configure your DB1 Pro. First, you're going to navigate to our website, links in the description. You're going to click Downloads. From Downloads, you'll click the Nullbits Sync app and wait for it to download. Once that's done, open the folder. And you're going to want to extract the zip file. From there, open the folder and run the setup file. It's possible that you get a smart screen warning. Just choose Run. And then you'll get a prompt asking if you want to let it make changes. Select Yes. And the installation's complete. So you can see here in the Start menu programs, you've got DB1 Sync. So now I'll show you how to use it. First, launch Sync, and this is what the menu looks like. There's a few options. There's LED configuration, button configuration, and an about screen. Pretty self-explanatory. So you use LEDs to set the LEDs and the modes. Use the button configuration to set the buttons, and the about screen just tells you info about your app version and your device firmware. Thanks for watching.